I'm back, man. 2019, man. I know I've been slacking. I've been kind of, you feel me? Y'all already know the deal. I ain't gonna speak too much on it. That's his name? Yeah, that's his name. Butcher 360. I challenged him to a 15-week woof. So that's what we on. I'm on a 13-week, 13 out of 15. So we got, what, 2 more weeks to go before the big come in, man. So, y'all gonna see a big transformation. I'm about to unrack for y'all. It might look like I ain't got no progress or I ain't been brushing. That's only because I'm a coarse hair waver. I don't have natural curls. I have to, brush my hair to make it curl up and stuff like that. So it might look nasty, it might look distorted. That's only because it's dirty. It needs to be washed, you feel me? So we're gonna get that washing. I'm gonna show y'all the results in this video. 2019 just finna be a big difference, man. This is, right now, this video, this is the 2019 Coarse hair wavers, wash and style while woofing. Whoo. Now, right now, this is just a rough draw. This is just a rough draft. Don't judge my progress off of what you see right now. Don't judge it off of any of that. This is just before wash and style, because after that wash and style, a lot's gonna change, man. So let me just show y'all real quick. The back look nasty because that's where the do-rag gonna be, and that's where the taper gonna come in at. So don't even mind the little bottom piece of the back. So like I said, don't mind this part. That's where the taper gonna be at. I get my tapers all right there. That's all gonna be my taper. So set that down. Now let me show y'all what we're gonna be using in this video today. For one, you're gonna need you a good comb. Get you a good comb because you're gonna have to comb. Boom. Get that. For two, you're gonna need you some, what I use right now, I use that Cantu shea butter. 3-in-1, poo and conditioner, body wash. But, we're gonna use it just for shampoo. So I ain't gonna wash my hair. I'm not about to wash my body with something that I use for my hair. Feel me? That's nasty. You don't do that. But we're gonna leave this for the leave-in conditioner. Use that right there, leave-in conditioner, Cantu. We got all the Cantu products. Go natural or go home. Now for your brushes right now, I'm using this hard brush, Torino Pro. It's my hard brush to get down to the scalp. Because some soft brushes and medium brushes, all you're gonna be doing is decorating the top of your head. We wanna get down to the new growth so that when we get our cut, you see the progress. And then I got this little Annie brush, beater. It's just my little beater wash brush right here. I can tell this one is a little newer, So, and then I also got this brush. I need one of these. This helps a lot too. Like I said, I've been seeing a lot of y'all spending 10s, 30s, 20s, all type of big dollars on these, when you can get this from the local beauty store anywhere for about $1 to $5. Not even $5. I got this for $1, man. $1. So gotta have your wash rag. You gotta have your wash rag. It's also good to have your do-rags washed, man. So have your wash rag strictly for washing styles. Then I can't forget about my goat drip butter, man. Gotta have that. Still got a lot of that. Feel me? Gotta have that. That's for the after, So let's get right into it, man. Let me get me a bigger comb for y'all. Now I'm gonna use this little comb right here because we deep in the woofing. So you gotta get a bigger comb and get a bigger pool, you feel me? So right now we just finna comb it all out. And you also wanna have your towel. You gotta have a towel, man. You got to. Set that down. Comb it all out. Don't forget your mirror either. You gotta have your mirror. Alright, now, so what you wanna do with your dirty hair is you wanna just wet your hair first. Just rinse it out so that way when you put the product in, it can all apply in there just real nice and lather up real good. So right now I'm about to step into the shower and rinse all this dirt out, and then I'm gonna put the shampoo in, and then we're gonna rinse it out, scrub it, rinse it out again. So I'm gonna do that for y'all real quick, and I'm gonna be right back after I rinse it out. All right, now that your hair is wet and moist, You can now apply the little shea moisturizer. I mean, not moisturizer, shea butter. Okay, into, you know, shampoo, whatever shampoo you got, you want to go ahead and pour it in your hand and just lather your hair up real nice and good. You know, now that you combed your hair out, it's okay to like scramble wash, because if your waves are already locked in and you can go as deep as long as I've been woofing, 13 weeks, I'm going 15, then you could do it, man. And there's a point in time where you might over curl, but I've been 12 weeks woofing before. I know how to make my stuff lay down. I know my curl length, and I know when I'm about to start over curling. So, and I know when it's gonna look like I'm over curling to y'all, but to me, I know I'm not over curling. I probably just needed to wash and style that video, or just wash my hair, period. Like in the beginning of this video, my stuff might have looked like it was over curling, but I guarantee you by the end of this video, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, he can go way longer, because my stuff gonna be laid down from a wash and style, because a wash and style really helps you lay your hair down and all type of stuff. So now that you got it lathered up the first time, it's not too lathered, you're gonna apply some more. You know, get that thing real nice and soapy. Right now, y'all wanna, you know, jump in the shower or rinse your hair out in the sink, get all that dirt out your hair. For this next part, now that you rinsed out all the little dirt and scum out your head, my hair wasn't really too dirty, so I didn't have to do too many layers. If your hair is completely dirty, you might want to just throw another coat on there and scramble wash again and then rinse it out and then come to the styling part. But my hair wasn't so dirty, so I don't have to do that. So now we just finna jump to the styling part. Get your shampoo again. Feel me? Lather that bad boy up again. You can scramble this time. Scramble this time again. Make sure it's all in there. As you notice, now my hair is really starting to get real soapy because it's not dirty no more. It's not as dirty as it was at first. See, now it's getting all white and real soapy. That's because it ain't got all that grease and moisturizer and all type of other stuff that you was using in it. Where this piece come right here come in. This is where this comes in. Dry your hands so it won't be leaking all everywhere, you know. Stuff off your face. Feel me? Now, you just start, you know, pulling your waves down. You see how when I pull them down, they curled up? That's a huge difference, huh? So now you just want to do this all the way around your scalp. Rinse it off when it start getting too soapy, too soapy. All over you. And just go in all over your head so everything needs to look like noodles. So now that you know you use your shower brush to just brush your hair back down, now you want to come in with that hard brush. Make sure you wet the brush so it won't be dry on your scalp. You wet the brush and then just start going in with it so you get a brush session in. It's a little too hard on my head because it is a hard brush. It's made for when my hair is not wet. I don't want to damage my scalp, so I'm not going to too much use the hard brush. You want to use something soft or something like medium for your washing style. This one's hard, but it's not too hard because I've been using it back to back for washing styles. Bottle or something. Make sure you apply that all over. That's why it's good to wet the brush so that way, you know, you wet your scalp. Now you want to go in with the brush. Get that brush session in. So it is gonna be it's really a messy job, but you know, it's gonna play out in the end. I know y'all see the waves on the top leg. Oh yeah, they really gonna be laid after I put this do-rag on. All right, now that once you get to your satisfied point of your brushing, now you wanna just take your hands, or you could use a lay down G, you know. Now you wanna just style it. This is the styling part with your hands. It's the third step of the styling part. Now y'all really starting to see the waves, huh? Wait till y'all see them laid down after everything's out. It's time for the last and final step. You apply the do-rag on top of the shampoo. Yes, you apply it on top of the shampoo. That's why you gotta have your own wash rag, specially made for just washing your hair, man. So, as mine's already pre-tied, I like it how I like it. I don't need to tie it no tighter. Pull down, just like that. Fix it real nice. It's gonna be real soapy and probably nasty. It shouldn't be that nasty because you should have washed all the dirt out your hair on the first couple steps that we did. So it shouldn't be that dirty. If it's still that dirty, then you need to do another scramble wash before you even get to the styling part that I'm on. So, because at this point, your hair shouldn't even be dirty. You should just be styling it and making sure that it's real nice and lathered, you feel me? So all the soap on my neck and face, all that stuff, that's gonna be gone right now. We finna jump in the shower and rinse this off real quick, or jump on the, rinse it off in the sink. Either way it go, you need to rinse this out through the do-rag. Pat it, rinse with cold water, because if you rinse with hot water, your hair is just gonna be frizzy again. So rinse with cold water, it helps it. So we gotta get all that out of there. I hear that? Get all that out of there. Let's go do that right now. All right, y'all. So now that you rinsed out with cold water, you don't want to dry it with your hands. All you want to do is just dry all the leaking water around your surface of your face. Don't dry it with your towel or nothing like that, man. You can set the towel there, but don't dry it with your towel because it's going to mess your hair up because you're going to be just going like this and all that stuff. You don't want to do that. So we're going to get to the leave-in conditioner part a little bit later. We're going to let this dry. I'm going to show y'all the results. And then depending on, how the results is, I might show y'all the leave-in conditioner part, or you might not need it depending on how laid your hair is, which is also good to condition, because the reason why I might not do it is because my shampoo has, shampoo and conditioner in it, and we already rinsed it out, so it ain't no point to put in a leave-in conditioner if my hair is already looking healthy and good. So that's an optional part if y'all want to leave that in there. So after it dry, we're gonna apply some PB goat drip butter, like I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. So it might take an hour and a half to dry. You don't want to dry with a blow dryer or nothing like that. Just let it dry, man. Get on your, get on your little whatever tip, let it dry, just like that, man. All right, y'all, I'm finna wrap up the video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We coming with that heat, straight drop. I'm finna show y'all my results, fresh out the rag. No brush, no nothing, just straight out the rag, man. Because I never show y'all my results, so I'm going to show y'all right now. That's fresh out the rag, man. Fresh out the washing style. Now, all that other stuff y'all can apply. Y'all can go apply it later. I don't want to make the video too long, so y'all go ahead and go apply this. Get your day started. Being boy Rico, man. I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace, gang.